So how do increasing demands from local authorities for transparency and measurable quality affect your daily operations?
Transparency is very important because of the time with reporting is live, so everybody knows what's done and what's the job next job to do. It helps with the discussion. So there are little discussions or less discussions which is done properly or has to be done in the future. And what's very important that detailed information can give the customer a better decision-making process. So it's easier, it's faster, and it helps the whole work process.
Yeah, so do you have an example of key metrics that customers look into?
There are different reports like the progress is made, but the most important is when there is something wrong. People outside can report that, and then it's very easy for the customer to say, well, we are going to fix that in a short time.